Good evening, all of you. Basic introduction. Today topic. My name is John. I'm from USA. I'm studying class 8. I have done my 8th grade. My father is a doctor. My mother is housewife. I have one brother and two sisters. My favorite food is biryani. My hobby is studying book. My favorite game is football. My favorite book is English. I want to become doctor. I have one friend. Do you have any questions? Are you feeling happy with this video? Please tell me in comment box. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I will meet you new video. Thank you so much. Thank you for